Hey guys, today we are unboxing the Dyson V10 Optic cordless vacuum with its auto-empty dock. Inside the box we have the main vacuum body, the wind, the fluffy optic cleaner head, the mini motorized tool, and Crevice tool, and last, the auto-empty dock. This is the main vacuum body. Here we have the dustbin and the removable filter. This version also supports up to 60 minutes of runtime, and the battery is replaceable, which is useful for long-term maintenance. The fluffy optic cleaner head is designed for hard floors. Its green light helps reveal fine dust that is hard to see under normal lighting. The mini motorized tool is useful for sofas, mattresses, and upholstery, and the Crevice tool is useful for corners, edges, and narrow gaps. The most important part of this version is the auto-empty dock. Vacuum is placed back on the dock. It can automatically empty dust from the vacuum bin into the dust bag inside the dock. The dust bag has a 2.5-liter capacity, which can hold up to 60 days of dust, so you don't need to empty it after every clean. Both the vacuum and dock use HEPA filtration, helping keep fine dust sealed during cleaning and emptying. Another convenient detail is that all the accessories can be stored on the dock, so everything stays together in one place. Later, we'll also start testing compatible replacement parts for this new version of the vacuum cleaner. If you are interested in compatible accessories, follow us for more.